Hi, I made a drop-down list from the data of the city. Mm, Is this basically I select some city like Montevideo of, or Bogota, and you see all the filters applied to our data. So how I make it? First thing I need is the unique value of the array city, and get the array city with this map thing, and I assign these unique values to this variable set cities in Spanish. Okay, this is this, and I need to use the use state in array form because I need to print in a screen through map function. So I use this city variable or constant, and map to every element and print an option of every element in this array. So the next thing is, if I made a change on the select tag, I will call this function filter, and I will capture the event, and the event target value, that is not other thing that the option that the user has selected in the drop down list. So in the filter option, what I do, I do this. I capture the value and change the data, the data in English, through the set data. Why? Because I really need to change the elements that is printed out in our screen through map function. So I change the data through data2. What is data2? Is only a variable that I create here to capture a second or a copy from the data from Google Sheets. And I use that because if I modify data, I will lose the data that I need to filter when I filter. So I need a second variable to store the data, to static store the data that I retrieve from the Google Sheets. It's for that I use the use state, but it's not necessary. So you can maybe make a constant only, but whenever I do like that. So the next thing is filter the data too, through the city, be ciudad in Spanish, and make every object that is equal to the value that user has selected, change the data that is printing out in our screen. And yes, this is all for this video. Please subscribe for more video without annoying comments, and goodbye.